no name Hourmeter. Going to hook up on the Bearcat chipper shredder, the one we put the 18 horsepower Duramax electric start on. Bought this on Amazon. I think it was $7, something like that. It was basically a third of the price of the one at Napa. So there's really no electrical hookups. You're just supposed to take the lead here, and it gets wrapped around the plug wire 5 times. So I guess you just, well, like I said, you just wrap it around the plug wire, and it gets plugged into the back of the meter here, so we can tell when we're supposed to change oil on this thing and how much we're using it. I guess it comes with a battery in it or something, because it's on. It ain't no telling how long it's been on or what kind of battery it's got in there. I haven't really seen anything with its batteries accessible on it, or it would even have one. And maybe it just charges up from hitting when it sparks, gives it a little signal or something, I don't know. So let's hook this thing up, see where we can mount it at. I'll probably mount it down here by the battery somewhere. Probably be the best choice for it, or on the side of the key switch here maybe. My camera skills are lacking, so you just have to bear with me. That's the instruction sheet there. So here's the back of the meter with the wire. So this wire, if you got a slot back here, this wire just gets pressed down into this slot. So no wire stripping, nothing like that. I guess it's just using inductive pickup. Okay, you get the idea. It just goes in that little slot there. It says start about 4 centimeters from the end of the plug wire. So we're just going to start probably here. You know what? I'm going to pull the plug off of there. Just to make it a little bit easier. And just wrap it around there. So I'm just going to drape this over here for right now, preferably not on the muffler. Just going to set it up there. I'm going to fire this thing up and see if it works. Remember that 1/10, since it reads as 1/10 of an hour, the 1/10 is 6 minutes. So I'm just going to let it sit here and run for a couple minutes and come back. And we're reading the 1/10 there. So it's working good. Still might wrap it in with electrical tape just for security, but I'm going to go ahead and figure out a place to mount this thing now. Alright, so I ended up mounting it down here on the side of the console. Right there. So it covers plastic, so I don't have to drill nothing. Those self-tapping screws just went right in there. You need to make sure that you run your wire is up against anything hot or against the throttle linkage. I got it tucked up underneath the throttle linkage, but I put some wire ties in there just to hold it.